Advanced
Come
level
on.
problems in
We are going
indefinite
to discuss
integrals.
one advanced level question from indefinite integration. It's a very interesting one. See the advanced questions how it will be there. Generally in advanced level the questions will be designed by taking 2-3 chapters like that. They prepare one question. Let us see this question. Look at it. If I equal to integral dx by x power r plus 1 plus x power r whole power 1 by r, where r is a natural number and I is equal to whatever this integration value comes out, equal to alpha times 1 plus x power minus 3 whole power beta plus c. Then the quadratic equation is, we have to look at the quadratic equation. For a quadratic equation, how many roots will be there? Generally 2 roots. Let us say alpha beta. So once you know alpha beta, the problem is over. So before getting alpha beta, we have to take the help of integration problem. Let us see. So very interesting result. Whenever this type of integrations are there, always take the x power r as a common factor. If you take x power r as a common factor, dx by, if you take x power r outside, r cancel. Already x power r is there, 1 x power 1 will come, 1 by x power r plus 1 whole power 1 by r. Now put this is equal to new variable t. 1 plus x power r plus 1 is t. Write the differential coefficient. 1 by x power r derivative is minus r by x power r plus 1. 1 derivative 0, dx is equal to dt. Or dx is equal to x power r plus 1 by minus r dt. Now we replace these values in this problem. So you write minus 1 by r outside, integral. In the place of dx, x power r plus 1 dt by x power r plus 1 into t. X power r plus 1 cancel. So we got minus 1 by r integral 1 by t. 1 by t what you write generally? Of course, I forgot one thing. Here 1 by r is there. Now integral 1 by t power 1 by r you write as minus 1 by r dt. Where r is a natural number, integration of t power minus 1 you write as by minus 1 by r plus 1 plus c. If we take simplification, what we get? Minus 1 by r. This you write as t. In the place of t we replace this value. 1 plus 1 by x power r minus 1 by r plus 1. What is LCM there? R is LCM. Minus 1 plus r. So I can write this is r minus 1 by r. Come into the denominator, minus 1 plus r by r. So I can write r minus 1 by r. R cancel. Now finally what we got? Plus c, of course. So finally what you got the answer? We got the answer is minus 1 by r minus 1, 1 plus x power minus r whole power r minus 1 by r. This is a final answer. Now you just compare this problem with this. If you compare, you put r is equal to 3. If you put r is equal to 3, these two will be balanced. So 3 minus 1 is how much? 1 by 2. 1 plus x power minus 3. 3 minus 1 by 2 by 3. Now we got alpha is minus 1 by 2, beta is 2 by 3. By taking this, We can easily substitute any one of the equations which is going to satisfy, that is the answer. Or you can do one more method. What? Once you got alpha beta values, take sum of the roots. What is sum of the roots? Alpha plus beta minus 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. LCM is how much? 6. This is 6 minus 3 plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4 how much? Minus 3 plus 4. 1 by 6. Alpha plus beta is 1 by 6. Similarly, get alpha beta value. Minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. So automatically you can understand from all of these which function is going to satisfy. Suppose you take the last one. What is the last one? What is the product of roots? C by A. 2 by 6. That is minus 1 by 3. Not satisfied. Third option. Minus 2 by 6. Satisfied. If this is satisfied, look at this. Minus 2 by 6. This is also satisfied. Now out of these two, we have to eliminate only one. Now what is sum of the roots? 1 by 6. 1 by 6 where it comes? First one, second one. Second one. These two. So final answer is this. What is sum of the roots? Minus b by a. Minus or minus plus 1 by 6. And a product of roots minus 2 by 6, that is minus 1 by 3. So option 1 is the right answer. See here students, what is the main point? Here, whatever this question is given, x by 1 plus x whole power r whole power 1 by r, outside is x power r. This type of problems are generally asking in JEE Mains and Advanced. The basical of this question came in IIT 1984. So from that on that, whatever came in exam, same model or related problems are asking in all competitive exams. It's a very interesting one. The method I will explain once. Whatever comes under this bracket, take always the power as outside, and the rest of the bracket value put as some variable t. You do general integration. The problem is will be solved. But here the question is related to two concepts. One is indefinite, another is quadratic. Maybe quadratic, maybe other topic they may introduce. So it's not a problem. So student must be first of all good in solving these type of questions. Then automatically you can do.